this video, you will learn to properly install your new Goodyear Assurance Hybrid wiper blades onto two variations of pinch tab type wiper arms. For this installation, you will need to exchange the pre-installed HN-type base holder for the B-type base holder included in your packaging. Step 1. The HN-type holder is located in the center of the wiper blade, and it is about 3 inches long. Step 2. To remove the HN-type base holder, insert a screwdriver into the smallest hole of the adapter. Use the screwdriver as leverage and pull up forcefully. Step 3. Bring the B-type base holder up to the wiper blade. Line up the directional arrow on the holder to the arrow on the wiper blade. Wedge the tab from the holder into the slot of the wiper blade and snap it down completely. Step 4. Open the B adapter cap all the way. Then remove the pre-installed A14 sleeve from the B-type adapter and replace it with the A13 sleeve included in your packaging. Step 5. Take your B-type adapter and bring it up to your wiper arm. For a traditional pinch tab wiper arm, latch the pegs on the gray sleeve onto the hooks located at the back of the arm, then swing the adapter into the arm until it is flush. For other pinch tab wiper arms, latch the pegs on the gray sleeve onto the hooks located at the back of the arm, then swing the adapter into the arm until it is flush. Ensure that the tab on the back of the gray sleeve fits into the slot at the top of the wiper arm. Step 6. To secure the adapter into either arm, hold the adapter in place by putting pressure on the protrusions on the bottom of the B-type adapter. Then close the B-type adapter cap and press down until you hear a click. If the adapter is able to wiggle around in the wiper arm, please recheck Step 5. Step 7. Bring the wiper blade up to your wiper arm and make sure that the opening on the B-type base holder is facing towards the windshield. Line up the large center groove on the B-type holder with the protrusions on the bottom of the adapter you just installed and squeeze together until you hear a loud snap. Step 8. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website www.goodyearwiperblade.com.